David Hood from IT Training, just giving a quick explainer about R for those who need to know about it without actually using it. So we have data. Data might be spreadsheets. It might be that we need to query a database. It might be output from a machine, a scientific machine like a gene sequencer. It might be stuff sitting on web pages. It might be GIS maps, images, or other kinds of things. The idea is we have data and we've got goals. We either want rearranged data, or we want to do some statistical tests or make some graphs or just make some summaries of the data. And R is a tool for getting from the data to the goals. R is a computer language. It's a free open source one available for all computer platforms. Now, you write out your instructions on how to transform or manipulate the data, and then the computer carries out those steps. For researchers, writing out these instructions means you're creating a reproducible audit trail of your analysis. And this is a really important thing these days, reproducible research. For business intelligence, writing out the instructions of how to organize the data means that you write the instructions for a report once and you then automate the production of subsequent reports. Now, the downside is that it does mean learning enough R commands in order to be able to write the instructions. Shift a little. So there is pluses and minuses, and there is a value judgment. This value judgment is changing, and it is changing fairly rapidly as most new graduates with a quantitative background, ones that have had to deal with data, are increasingly familiar with R. So it is an established tool in the new workforce. So to finish, I'm going to do a live demonstration. Now, let's say I'm every month working with an Excel file I get from a system, and it's got account codes in it. And I need to find some of those account codes, the ones that I've highlighted in yellow. I need to take the month-to-date expected and the month-to-date actual, and I need to assemble a rolling year-to-date figure for how under or over those accounts are. That's the kind of job that is repeated regularly, has a lot of manual steps. There's the chance of human error in it, things like that. So the idea is I've got a folder with old files in it, so they're building up in there. And I've got a list of instructions in R. Now, we're not worried about the commands on this occasion. It's just the idea there are commands. This isn't a learning R course. I put a new spreadsheet in the folder with the other spreadsheets. I run the R instructions. I get an updated spreadsheet involving newly organized information. I put, incidentally, just while I had it open, you'll see there's 17 lines in that one. I put another spreadsheet in. I rerun the same instructions, and my summary sheet now has 21 lines in it. The idea is being that I can cumulatively apply those commands. That's where most people are at the moment in terms of using R for rearranging data and then working with it in Excel and other programs. But what's coming on is actually preparing R template documents that are a mixture of human text and R code. So I might have a downloaded Excel file and this template document, and then I say, make me a Word document, and in that folder, I get a Word document that, once it's opened up, you can see has summary reports and graphs and all of that kind of thing. So that's the cost benefit kind of equation around R. Some of the benefits, as I said, the cost is needing to understand R code.